Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of smart gardening with the Rachio Smart Hose Timer. If you're looking to upgrade your outdoor watering system, stick around because this might just be the best water hose timer with Wi-Fi on the market. The Rachio Smart Hose Timer isn't just your ordinary watering device. It's designed to make watering your lawn, garden, and yard a breeze with its intuitive features and smart capabilities. This device allows you to automate your watering schedule, ensuring that your plants get the right amount of water at the right times, without you needing to lift a finger. Manage your watering schedule from anywhere using the Rachio app on your smartphone. Whether you're at home or away, you can ensure your plants are watered adequately. Integrated with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, the Rachio Smart Hose Timer allows for voice control. Just command your smart assistant to start or stop watering as needed. Smart Rain Skips feature monitors local weather forecasts and adjusts your watering schedule accordingly. No more wasting water on rainy days. Designed for easy faucet attachment, the Rachio Smart Hose Timer is simple to install without the need for professional help. Just follow the instructions and you're good to go. Made from sturdy plastic, this device is built to withstand outdoor conditions, ensuring longevity and reliability in your garden setup. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your gardening game with a smart and efficient watering system, the Rachio Smart Hose Timer with Wi-Fi hub is definitely worth considering. Its ease of use, smart features, and durable build make it a standout choice in the market today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on innovative products like the Rachio Smart Hose Timer. Until next time, happy gardening!